KZ Guy 2 here, No Nonsense Know-How, and I'm wondering, is this normal for a 12-valve Cummins? When it's cold out and I start the truck up, let's go no preheat at all, no throttle at all, parking brake on. This thing will fire right up, but it tends to stall out very easily, and since it's a stick shift, if I'm driving down the road, every time I shift a gear or I come to a stop, it'll stall for the first couple minutes, depending. This usually happens only when it's below 40 degrees, let's call it. So anyway, let's start it up. It'll fire right up. Now, of course, it's idling pretty low, but once it warms up, the idle comes up to about 900 or so, 950, right where it's supposed to be. But if I bring the RPM up a little bit, and then I let go, it'll stall out like that. So if you start it back up, no problem, starts right back up. You bring the throttle up, and then you slowly bring it back down, then it'll catch itself. Now, I guess my main question here is, are the modifications that I've done to this in the past summer what caused this thing to stall when it's cold? I've done the following. I've turned the timing from 13.5 degrees on the pump up to 15.5 degrees. I've put 3K governor springs in, a very mild number 10 fuel plate, and then I think I turned the fuel screw, I have this written down somewhere, but only maybe 1 turn, 2 turns max. Truck runs phenomenally, and it doesn't stall at all if you let it warm up a little bit. My only fix I've been thinking I can do is to put one of these high idle cables in. So I got this one online. I was thinking about installing this, and then when I start it cold, I can just set the RPM to maybe 1200 or whatever the case, and then when it warms up, back that off to set it back down to where it's supposed to be at 950. What's up, Turbo? What you doing, huh? Getting some food? But anyway, I'm putting this video out there because before I go putting that cable on or modifying this to put the stock springs back in instead of the 3K springs, changing things around, maybe this is just normal for the 6BT. So any of you guys that are familiar with the 12-valve Cummins, mechanical fuel-injected engines, chime in down below. Hugely appreciate that if you can, and let me know. If you watch this far, give the video a thumbs up. Well, actually, don't give the video a thumbs up. But I'm asking for your help, so. KZ Guy 2 here, No Nonsense Know-How, and I'll see you next time.